Welcome to our channel. If you discover a fraudulent charge on your account, follow these step-by-step instructions to dispute it and protect your finances immediately. Step 1. Act quickly upon discovering the fraudulent charge. The sooner you report it, the better your chances of recovering your money and preventing further unauthorized transactions. Step 2. Contact your bank or credit card company immediately using the phone number on the back of your card. Request to speak with the fraud department. Step 3. Report the specific fraudulent transactions including dates, amounts, and merchant names. Clearly state that you did not authorize these charges. Step 4. Request that your bank freeze or cancel the compromised card immediately to prevent additional fraudulent charges while the investigation proceeds. Step 5. File a formal dispute for each fraudulent transaction. Your bank will provide dispute forms either online, through their app, or via mail. Step 6. Document everything including the date and time of your report, the representative's name you spoke with, and any reference or case numbers provided. Step 7. File a report with the Federal Trade Commission at identitytheft.gov and consider filing a police report, especially for large amounts or identity theft concerns. Step 8. Monitor your account daily for new unauthorized activity and promptly report any additional fraudulent charges during the investigation period. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.